So, good morning. My name is Alok, and this is Waking Wise, and we are doing a series from lectures from Vedant, which is meditations from Vedant, wherein the topic is knowledge. There are some new participants uh, who need to understand Vedant. So today we'll focus on the part of karma. We've been doing a lot of interventions over a period of time, and so today the idea is karma. What exactly is karma? Okay. Now, so before we actually begin the session, you have to sit back, as I say normally, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. So keep your spine straight. So the L5S1 has to be straight from here. It cannot be like this. So you have to straighten this thing up. Use some back support, some lumbar support, so that you are able to go through it. So take a deep, long breath. As you know, in yoga, it's called Purakaha. Purakaha. Rechakaha. Purakaha. 5 seconds inhalation. Rechakaha. 5 seconds exhalation. Purakaha. Rechakaha. Keep breathing, keep going longer and longer. 5 seconds inhale, 5 seconds exhale. 1:1 is the ratio proportion. Increase the duration from 5 to 7 to 10 seconds, or as long as you feel comfortable, but deeper the better, longer the better. Right. There have been participants who have requested us earlier to keep the session in two languages. So we'll follow the dual language protocol. Use Hindi as well as English. But the matter is going to be the same. पूरा कहो लंबी गहरी श्वास 5 सेकंड तक सांस रोकना है 7 सेकंड तक सांस लेना है सॉरी रे कहो पूरा कहो focus on the part that where is the mind, where exactly is the mind. Re kaho, bring the mind back to action. Yoga karmasu kaushalam. योगः कर्मसु कौशलम. कर्म के कौशलता का नाम योग है. Efficiency in action is actually yoga. Urakah. Keep breathing. Keep a deep, long breath. Rechakah. Urakah. Bring your attention to the breath. अपने मन को अपनी श्वास पे लगाइए. पेट भर रहा है, छाती उठ रही है, कंधे उठ रहा है. रे चकह. कंधे नीचे जा रहे हैं, छाती झुक रही है, पेट अंदर जा रहा है. पूरा कह. The tummy is filling, the chest is expanding, the shoulder is raising. Re chakah. The shoulders are coming down, columnar bones, the chest is reducing, the tummy is going inside towards the spine, sticking to the spine. Keep doing it. I will not use the word Purak Rechak. Bring your attention to the breath. Bring your attention to the breath. What does the breath say? Definitely, our breath says something. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the noise of the breath? Yes, there may be other sounds that you may be hearing. There are sounds this side, there may be sounds at your side, but that's perfectly fine. Bring your attention to the sound of the breath. ये श्वास कुछ कह रही है, कुछ ध्वनि निकाल रही है. कोई एक मंत्र पढ़ रही है, समथिंग. कोई एक ओम का उच्चारण हो रहा है, कोई एक अल्लाह का उच्चारण हो रहा है, कोई एक राम, क्राइस्ट, मोहम्मद, नानक का उच्चारण कर रही है. ये श्वास आवश्यक नहीं कि आपको वो श्वास में आवाज अभी सुनाई दे, लेकिन जो आवाज अभी श्वास में आ रही है उस आवाज को सुनने की का प्रयत्न करें. Try and listen the sound which the breath is doing. Try and listen the sound which breath is doing. Whatever the sound of the breath is, whatever the sound of the breath is, here you'll find here you'll find very clearly that the breath is saying something. What exactly is that? It will say something, and it is saying something. Purakah Rechakah. Keep your attention to your breath. मन भटकेगा भूत में, भविष्य में. क्रिया छूट जाएगी. क्रिया होगी, आपका ध्यान उसमें नहीं होगा. क्रिया होगी, आपका ध्यान उसमें नहीं होगा. आप अपने ध्यान को क्रिया में लेकर आइए. आप अपने ध्यान को क्रिया में लेकर आइए. क्रिया क्या हो रही है? पूरक, रेचक. What is the action which is being performed? Inhalations, exhalations. Bring your attention there. That is the only work that you are doing. There is the only kriya which you are doing. There is the only work that you are doing. Carefully observe, I am using the word work and kriya. I am not using the word karma and actions, because these are not karmas and actions. Anything which is the nature of the senses, anything which is the nature of the mind, anything which is the nature of the interaction between the senses and the mind, or anything which the intellect does, any decision making, any pleasures or happiness and distress, any verbal work which the verbal or physical work which the senses do. Carefully observe that this entire process of breathing is almost becoming automated, and you are not doing any intervention in doing this. This is called work done by the body. This is called शरीर की क्रियाएं और गतिविधियां. ये कर्म नहीं है. बहुत सारे लोगों को ये चीज नहीं पता. उनको लगता है शरीर से किया हुआ कर्म ही कर्म है. मन से किया हुआ कर्म दान पुण्य कर्म है. बुद्धि से किया हुआ सही निर्णय कर्म है. नहीं, ये तो दैनिक दिनचर्या की क्रियाएं हैं. These are actions which are being done by these are work, basically work, right? Activities, work and activities which the intellect, mind, and the body and the senses do. And that this theory of work is being done by the animals as well. It's being done by the plants and tissues as well, and herbs and shrubs. The plant produces chlorophyll. It's not doing karma. The animal gets hungry, asks for food. The animal procreates. Right? It's not doing any karma. It's following the robotic pattern of the senses. It's following the robotic program of the mind. That's what you're doing. So if you're going to work and raising money, you're not doing any karma. You're just doing activities to enable, to fulfill the dharma of the senses, to fulfill the dharma of the mind, to fulfill the dharma of the intellect. Same thing a donkey will also do. He'll pick up baggage on his back and go to the nearby river, dump and come back. He's not doing any karma. Nor are you. Then what exactly is karma? This is where a lot of people don't understand karma or the definition of it. Shwas prashwas. Keep taking the breath in and out. Keep taking the breath in and out. Purakaha. Rechakaha. Purakaha. Rechakaha. Is your awareness higher now when you feel detached with the breath? The breath is happening, it's in the automatic mode. The mind is actually trying to control the breath, bring it to its rhythm. It's automatic. It's automatic. The moment you are detached by doing any actions or activities, that is the first step to the foundations of karma. These are foundations of karma. These are not even karma. Right? What is karma? Karma is whatever activities you're doing, surrendering it to your Lord and visualizing him or her, your divine, your Lord, in all the actions which you're doing without literally taking any benefit out of it. Because of the you meaning you, the consciousness, you meaning you, the awareness, you meaning you, the observer. आप मतलब आप जो चेतन है, आप जो साक्षी हैं, आप जो दृष्टा है, आप आप साक्षी हैं, आप दृष्टा हैं, आप कर्ता नहीं। कर्ता तो इंद्रियां हैं, कर्ता तो मन है, कर्ता तो बुद्धि है, और जो कर्ता होता है ना, वही भोगता है। इसीलिए आप भोगता भी नहीं है। जब जो करेगा वही भोगेगा, नियति है। If you are not the doer, how can you be the sufferer? The doer is the senses, the doer is the mind, the doer is the intellect. It is their activity. You are not the doer unless and until you do not pray to your divine. Because only praying to the divine is actually karma. Only अपने इष्ट की आराधना ही केवल कर्म कहलाता है। कर्म की परिभाषा है अपने इष्ट की आराधना। संसार का काम छोड़कर नहीं करना है। हाँ, अगर आप कर सकते हैं ध्यान में, भजन, योग, अपने इष्ट का ध्यान करें, वो अच्छी बात है। लेकिन अगर आप क्रिया में भी अपने इष्ट को समर्पित कर दें, आई एम डूइंग दिस थिंग फॉर माई लॉर्ड, देन यू गेट परफेक्टली डिटैच विद द आउटकम। बिकॉज उसके लिए आप कर रहे हो, आपका अपना उसमें कोई प्रयोजन नहीं है। You do not have an objective function to do anything. Yes, there will be material benefits of picking up a load from one river to other, and the donkey will eat food. That's perfectly all right. But you are not attached with that action. As long as you surrender that action, that's called the material perspective of karma. But the spiritual perspective of karma is when you actually shut down this entire process of breathing, as in your awareness, not from the physical activity. Let the physical world happen. Let the body take the breath. Let the mind bring its focus. You are aware. You are aware, the process is automatic. And the moment it becomes automatic, right, it does not affect you. You are aware, aware, aware. You are the observer, the observer, the observer. You are the consciousness in this action. If you are out, this action becomes immaterial. Surrender this entire action to your Lord. That becomes karma. Or let the automatic process be there. Let the automatic process be there. You just stay in yourself and remember your Lord. The last microsecond of the purak which happened will actually come to your divine. The last microsecond of the exit that you did will actually go to your divine. You do not take anything, you do not give anything. The body, mind and intellect have their own automation which is running. आपका उसमें कोई लेना देना नहीं, ना आप पूरक से आप कुछ ले रहे हैं, ना रेचक से ले रहे हैं। शरीर की आवश्यकता है, श्वास आ रही है। मन की आवश्यकता है, मन उसको नियंत्रित कर रहा है। बुद्धि की आवश्यकता है कि इन दोनों को संयमित करेगा, वो होगा। आप दृष्टा है, आप दृष्टा है, साक्षी है। इस साक्षी भाव में बने रहे। इधर उधर के आपको डिस्टर्बेंसेस आएंगे, मन में चंचलता आएगी, उसमें ध्यान न दें। अपने साक्षी भाव में, अपने दृष्टा भाव में अडिग रहें, स्थिर रहें। शांत रहें, पूर्ण शांत, पूर्ण विश्राम। इस समय जो आपने क्रिया करी, ये क्रिया आपने अपने इष्ट, अपने दिव्य को समर्पित कर दी। ये आपका ध्यान हुआ और यही केवल कर्म कहलाया। इस कर्म का आपको जरूर प्रारब्ध मिलेगा। This activity which is being done without iota of objectivity into the result of the activity of breathing, where you are not attached with the outcome, you have submitted it to your personal divine, your favorite divine. This will constitute karma. You will get some prarabdha out of it. Otherwise, there is no karma. Physical actions being done by the body, they produce corollary actions in the material world. इंद्रियों के द्वारा की हुई क्रियाएं का व्यवहार की जगत में उनका परिणाम फलीभूत होगा ही। ये सृष्टि का नियम है। Even science mentions this. The Newton's third law says any action has a reaction. If you act in the material level, it will come in the material level. But if you act at the spiritual level, it will come at the spiritual level. आप अपने अपने दृष्टा भाव में अपने इष्ट को देखें और उससे मिल जाए, उससे गले मिल जाए। जब आप उससे गले मिलेंगे, ये जो आपने क्रिया करी, ये कर्म कहलाया। भगवान कृष्ण 7वें अध्याय में अर्जुन को ये कह रहे हैं कि सीधा बैठो, रीढ़ को सीधा रखो, गर्दन सीधे रखो, भ्रू मध्य के बीच में केवल मेरा ध्यान करो और ओम का उच्चारण करो। हे पार्थ, यही कर्म कहलाता है और कोई कर्म नहीं कहलाता, बाकी सब दैनिक नित्य क्रम पाठ है। The Lord says this thing very clearly. Lord Krishna in the index scripture of Hinduism says that if you are sitting straight, meditating between the eyebrows in between, and remembering me without form, without body, that is karma, Arjun. And here you will get manifestation out of this karma. Stay in this particular phase as long as you feel you can. Now slowly bring your attention to your entire intellect. It has started calculating something. Bring your attention to your entire mind. It's starting to reason something. Start to feel something. Bring your attention to your entire senses. Starting to feel something. Where is your breath? Bring your attention there. 4 constituents. इंद्रियों पे ध्यान, मन पे ध्यान, बुद्धि पे ध्यान, श्वास प्रश्वास पे ध्यान। सजग हो जाइए और ये देखिए कि ये शुद्ध हो गया, ये दिव्य हो गया। Your senses have become pure, your mind have become pure, your intellect has become pure. All 3 have become pure because the breath that you are taking has been divine breath now. Because it's being surrendered to its own Lord from where it originated. Fold your hands and say thank you with gratitude. दोनों हाथ जोड़ दें और अपने हाथों से अभिवादन और अभिनंदन करें अपने इष्ट का कि उन्होंने आपकी दी हुई स्वीकृति स्वीकार करी। Say thank you for your Lord for accepting this gratitude which you are giving. Thank you, thank you, thank you. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद। धीरे धीरे अपने दोनों हाथों को मलें। Rub your hands. Put it on your face, on your head, on your body. Open your eyes. We are done with today's session. Any questions which I can answer? Hello. Any questions?
Hello.
Yeah, good morning. Any questions which I can quickly answer?
No, Mr. From when do we have to make the payment? Hello.
Yeah, whenever you feel like we are planning to
Okay.
upgrade, we are planning to upgrade it to Zoom because timings have extended. But sooner or later, um,
Okay.
the idea is this. This is the truth actually. This is a material karma. The material karma
Okay.
is um, in the Upanishad, in the Shvetaswar Upanishad, it's written that शे- ज्ञान जो होता है ज्ञान वो शेरनी का दूध होता है ज्ञान शेरनी का दूध होता है और वो स्वर्ण के पात्र में होता है it's the lioness's milk which is called as the pure form of knowledge which comes from Vedanta and it stays in a in a pot of gold. It does not stay in any other pot. उसको वो फाड़ के निकल जाता है तो वो गोल्ड का पात्र आपको बनना है you have to become the recipient which is gold standard. For that you need to absorb the knowledge. Absorb करने के लिए वो gold का पात्र आपके पास होना चाहिए जिसमें वो टिके है ना? And that is the reason why you need to you know pay some cost to that effect. We're planning to further structure it. Let's see how things happen. But the idea is anything which is 25-50 rupees per session is just nothing almost. And the idea is not commercial, but definitely the idea is that you should become the perfect recipient out of it. Because if we give it from here and you are not able to receive it, then we are at sin. अगर हमने यहाँ से ज्ञान दिया और आपको नहीं मिला तो जो उसका पाप है वो हमको लगता है. That is how it is.
Okay. Okay, Mr.
Am I able to answer that query?
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Yeah. But I don't have Paytm. I thought I should wait.
You can figure it out. I think you can DM, share a text message on that.
Okay.
We'll figure it out. Any further
Okay.
questions on meditation? Because payment is kriya, meditation
Yeah.
is kriya. So any questions on meditation which I can answer?
No, Mr. Lok.
How did you feel? I mean, you don't have any questions regarding karma?
Come again, please.
You don't have any questions regarding karma? Today's meditation.
Karma, yeah. Yeah, I know what we do, what you sow, you're going to reap.
That's a material level, na? If you're doing it, then you'll have to consume. But as long as
Yeah.
you're the doer, you're also the
Okay.
consumer, the fruit bearer.
Yeah.
Right. But in Vedanta, it says that if you become aware, the actions of the body and the mind do not affect you. No? That's how you sit in meditation.
Okay.
It's just a simple thing. Otherwise, material duties will keep on happening.
Happening. Mhm.
Okay?
Yes, Mr. Lok.
Yeah, so look
Thank you.
forward to have you again and nice to have you Prajwal for the first time. Look forward to have you on a regular basis maybe.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. So thank you so much and see you again.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
day. Good day.
Bye. Good day.